Hello. Welcome to our podcast. It's an interesting podcast because the staff, the team wanted to turn things around, and we have now Miss Kat Galang interviewing me. Now, Miss Kat Galang is a beautiful human being, a human mama and a cat mama. And you can see in the way she talks how gentle and demure she is, but witty and a wicked sense of humor. I hope you enjoy this podcast and realize that the world is full of interesting people. You can also watch Kat Galang in her TV show. But anyway, tables are turned. Enjoy this podcast. Thank you. Hello mga kabiyaya! Nandito po kami ngayon with one of our favorite cat ladies, cat supporters, friend. Siya po ay no less than si Miss Kat Galang. Hi!
Hi, Miss Rina. Good morning.
Good
Thank
morning.
you po.
I know, the texts are
I'm
ours.
excited.
Ay, kami din.
Yes.
Sobra.
Kasi ang dami kong malalaman about you today. At kayo rin.
Naughty! Naughty!
Oy, hindi to sa akin galing Galing to sa team ni Miss Rina. Anyway, baliktad yata yung mangyayari today for your podcast,
Mukha
Miss Rina,
nga.
di ba? Kasi
Mukhang na ano
the
ako,
usual,
nabraso ako dito.
the usual, you are the interviewer.
Mm.
Pero for today's episode, ako yung magtatanong sa inyo ng mga about your career, this Biyaya Animal Care, and of course, your personal life. Okay lang ba yun, Miss Rina?
I don't think people will be interested. I mean, why would they be interested
Uy, bakit
in
naman
me?
hindi? Ako nga, interesado ako. Kasi of course, di ba, who wouldn't be interested to someone na
Kulukay.
hindi! Someone na, teka lang, Miss
Buang!
Rina. Ako kasi,
Buang si Rina.
when I saw you, parang inisip ko, bakit yung ba ito saan galing si Miss Rina?
Saan galing?
Yeah, I mean like, saan
Ibang,
nanggaling
ano,
yung biyaya?
Original
Diba?
aliens.
I want to know. I want to know saan planeta ka galing.
Papaiyak tuloy ako. Hoy.
Really. I'm
Ay,
really
sure.
interested. Opo, tsaka, syempre sa dami, thousands of pets around and mga strays na natulungan ninyo, I really wanna know, saan siya nanggaling?
Ay, kung hindi ko
Yun.
alam.
So, we are going to find out today. everyone,
Nakagat lang
mga
ako,
kabiyaya.
tapos mga ano,
Yun na pala
mga
yun.
rabies shot, kaya bigla na lang ito nangyari.
Umapekto na sa brain pala
Oo,
to.
wala na, nag-evolve na,
Oo.
may variant, Rina variant.
Nahawak ka na pala.
Oo.
Isa na palang animal.
Animal!
Okay, Ms. Rina, simulan na natin.
Oh,
Kasi
sige.
I really wanna
Oh.
know. Can you try to describe lang po kahit sa amin dito kung paano po ba yung childhood ng isang
Ay.
Ms. Rina?
Childhood.
Yes. So,
Surrounded talaga by animals.
Oo.
Kasi daddy ko, mahilig sa birds, sa aso, sa pusa. Lolo ko, aso.
Okay.
Oo. Then, between Sugbu and Lian,
Batangas po.
opo.
Taga dun po talaga kayo.
Yes po,
okay.
oo. And Kalatagan.
Mm.
So, meron ako noon at aside from rescuing, I'm trying to remember what age 1978. Why is 1978 very, embedded in my
Opo.
mind? Kasi meron akong playhouse.
Okay.
Yung playhouse ko is yung parang nipahat.
Opo.
Then, meron
Malaki ba yan? Or yung pang
one
bata
bedroom.
lang? Oh.
Pang one bedroom lang.
Okay.
Katabi ng farm.
Bahay, okay.
Oo, that's my playhouse.
Opo.
No? Tapos, yung semento, may semento dyan. Tapos, I remember, wet pa siya. Naglagay ako, 1978. That's the time we also got electricity there in that particular
Sa
place.
farm po.
Oo.
Opo.
So, I don't know why 1978 is in my mind. Pero at that time, meron akong mga 60 kambing na alaga. Meron talaga akong alaga. Mga...
Pinangalanan mo kasi.
No, hindi. Kambing lang. Pero we have about
Okay.
60 under my care.
Oh.
Tapos, meron din akong kalapati.
Ikaw pala ang real life Heidi. Kilala niyo ba si Heidi? Yung tapos Anyway, for the 90s kids,
Oo. No, I don't know why this.
Okay.
Tapos, may kalapati, may kambing, may turkey.
Opo.
Oo, meron akong mga ganun na alaga. Aside from aso, pusa.
So, surrounded talaga kayo ng animals noong
Oo.
dating-dati pa, no, Miss
Oo.
Rin? Hindi po kayo natakot na parang nung inintroduce kayo nung lolo nyo, parents nyo, na parang...
No, kasi we're, it's part of our life.
Mm-mm.
Parang ganon. Even my daughter and my kids, hindi sila
Takot.
takot.
Oo.
My son maybe a little bit because may pagka-OC siya with dirt.
Opo.
Pero yung daughter ko, hindi. Pag na-introduce kayo or it's part of your everyday life, hindi talaga.
Wala. Oo.
Walang-
Environment mo siya eh.
Oo.
So, parang Miss Rina, malaking bagay din sa mga bagong generation or sa mga kids na as early as bata pa lang sila, ma-expose din sila to this kind of environment. Kasi marami ngayong mga kids, like, pag nakikita ko, kunwari sa mall, takot lumapit sa mga dogs, or
Oo.
takot lumapit
But that's a human thing.
Yeah, well,
It's like multo, di ba?
may kanya-kanya tayong kinatatakutan.
It's the parents or the nag-aalaga sa bata who scared them ng multo.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing with the
yung belief
anis.
na binibigay mo
Oo.
sa bata.
Oo.
Yes,
So yung
yes.
influence, no?
Yeah.
Yun. Of course, there are certain things sa aso because of the rabies.
Yeah, opo.
Naiintindihan ko.
Mm.
Pero you just need to teach them yung approach.
Opo.
Oo.
Or the reason why,
the
bakit
reason
sila
why, oo.
nagagalit,
Oo.
bakit yung temper nila
Correct.
hanggang dito lang,
Ganon.
yung limitation ng
Ganon.
paghawa. Opo.
Oo, ganon. And yung feeling ko is you need to empower the children
Yeah. Opo.
na to take little acts of courage. Yung
Mm-mm.
parang ganon.
Mm-mm.
You know?
Kahit step by step.
Step
Oo.
by
Hindi mo
step.
naman kasi mapipilit right away ang bata. Opo.
Oo.
Opo.
Yun. I mean, I have a picture of, I just found it the other day kasi parang I wanted to make like a little album for my
Opo.
kids na
Oo.
parang your childhood, no?
Mm-mm.
Parang ganon and how you grew up. And I found the picture of my daughter, Kat. Her name is also Kat.
Oh.
Na meron kaming kasing makos.
Mhm.
And then, hinahalik niya yung mako. Maliit lang siya. I'll show you the picture
Oo.
mamaya. Maliit lang siya. Hinahalik niya yung
Oo.
mako. And it's a scary thing kasi the beaks of the mako
Pwede
have a
ka-
PSI
Yeah.
of 300. Meaning that's how strong it can bite.
Mm-mm.
Hinahalik niya. So parang, yun, hindi siya takot. To the point na, nung pumunta siya ng Australia to go to school kasi, how do I say this? Bata pa siya, sinasabi niya, I don't know why, walang pag-asa yung Philippines. Yan ang sinasabi niya.
yeah.
Yeah? So gusto niyang umalis.
Yeah.
So before 13 years old, nag-apply siya in a school in Australia
Mhm.
called Geelong Grammar. This school, there is a one year where nasa bundok po kayo.
Okay.
Nakatira.
That's part po.
Part of that when you're 13, you go to the bundok and you live there. Okay? And it's a course developed by Australians because nung turn of the century, 'di ba, hindi siya populated masyado si Australia.
Mhm.
They needed their boys to become men right away. So they developed this Geelong Grammar School kasi there, even the schools, diba, it's very far. So they used to go to school, what they call school on the air, by radio. Okay?
Oh.
So they set up this school, and the boys would go to that school. And in that school, it's not only grammar, which is what they call, traditional learning.
Yeah.
Pero agriculture, may hiking, may ganito ganon.
Yeah,
Right?
oo. Parang
To
nag-immerse na talaga
because they
sila.
needed their boys to become men right away to be able to pull the weight in the farm. Kasi yung farms nila is thousands of acres. Ganon yung mga farms nila doon. So, pinili niya yon, which is hard, no?
Mhm.
And in that school, kasi, no gadgets allowed. snail mail lang, as in written.
Oo, para makarating
Oo,
sa
and then you
kanila.
would send care packages. So, yung mahirap is, you write a letter, it will take a month. The reply comes back in a month.
Ganun din katagal. Yeah.
Yeah, so parang 2 months, hindi mo alam kung anong nangyayari. Although something bad is happening, the school naman will call
Will report,
you.
yeah.
Oo. Tapos yung ano nila dyan sa school na yan is, during the weekdays, they do trekking, they do their farm work, their community work. And during the weekends, yung proper school. Why? Yung mga weekender warriors,
Yeah.
dun sila lumalabas. So in that school, natuto siya to help deliver calves, to castrate bulls, to lahat. Yeah, natuto
Really?
siya talaga.
Oo.
As in. And she was 13 years old. Right? And then I remember, one time she came home kasi they have breaks, the long breaks. So umuwi siya. Tapos nakita ko siya nagba-practice. Natali niya yung hita niya. So sabi ko, Kat, what are you doing? Tapos sabi niya, no, I have to practice because you know why we have the steel-toed boots. Sabi ko, no.
Mhm.
Sabi niya, oh, because the most poisonous and the fiercest spiders live in Australia.
Okay.
And they live underneath the rocks. So, pag nasipa mo yung isang rock, yung ginagawa ng spider niyan is gumaganon, umaangat siya. Ang laki ng ano niya.
Tapos pwede ka
Bam!
natin.
Yes.
Sa toe.
So, sa toe. So, sabi niya, and what does that mean? Yung no, so I have to constrict my blood flow. I have to learn how to constrict
Okay,
my
just
blood.
in case.
Just in case. So, sa loob-loob ko,
Grabe yung mga pinaghahandaan nila.
yeah, di ba? So, sabi ko, oh my God, and the most poisonous,
Yeah.
venomous snakes are also
Nandun
in
din.
Australia. Di ba? Sa lahat ng so, sabi ko, holy kamote, Kat.
Yeah.
So, yan ang dinaanan niya,
Yeah.
right? And as parents, I mean, virtually, ganun din.
Mm-mm.
So, she's my fiercest warrior. Yung batang yon. And wala, parang, yun pa. And then, yung culminating event nila is 48-hour solo. You have to go from 200 kilometers yon or something like that. 48 or I don't know how long. From one point to another point. And then, may designated areas kung saan kayo magsusulat na nagka-clock in kayo.
Okay.
Dumating kayo dito, dumating kayo dyan. And then, the teachers will go at certain points.
Para
I-check kung nag-clock in ka na ba
Oo,
o
nakarating
hindi.
ka ba sa
or
oras
ganun.
na
So,
to?
yeah, they had those things and then per unit yon. So, they lived in units.
What a course, Miss Kat.
Oo, di ba?
Oh my God.
Grammar.
Akala ko pa naman yung boots na may silver sa dulo, fashion lang.
No,
may
hindi.
reason pa.
May reason talaga. So, maybe it became fashion, but
Yeah,
that was the
eventually.
reason.
Oh.
And then, kasi she's what's that thing called? Duke of Edinburgh awardee.
Apo.
Because the Duke of Edinburgh was the husband of Queen Elizabeth, had this program for youth empowerment. So she's an awardee of that.
Wow.
And so yung Unit L yata sila, in kibbutz style how they live, no? And for example, they have to chop wood at 4 a.m. at may nagcho-chop ng wood, rotating may nagcho-chop ng wood, may naglalagay sa boiler. Kasi if not, the whole unit will not have hot water in the morning.
Parang teamwork talaga.
Teamwork talaga.
Yeah.
And sobrang alpha tong mga team, yung Unit L na yan.
Okay.
To the point that in the 48-hour and in the unit, they beat the boys.
Whoa!
They beat the boys in time. So talagang mga alpha
Yeah.
tong mga babaeng to. Grabe, mga Amazonia.
Yeah.
So anyway, so that's how she was raised. But si Antonio naman, when he would see tahimik lang, so I said, Toots, I call him to say, are you gonna go to Australia? Not for me.
Diba ang iba naman siya? Kasi nakikita niya yung mga pinagagawa ni Miss Kat, diba?
Yeah. In fact, the first week she went there, she was the one who wanted.
Yeah,
You know, at 12 years old, she wanted to go. So ako naman, umiyak talaga ako. Sige, go. After 1 week, tumawag siya. Mom, take me out of here. Ba. So sabi ko, Kat, I said, you have to learn. Once you make your bed, you sleep in it.
Yeah.
Diba? So, yun. So,
natapos ni Miss Kat.
yes,
No?
natapos ni Miss Kat. Natapos niya. And then she went on to do other things. Pero, this is what I'm seeing in our education system and in our culture. You allow your children to make some decisions.
Yeah.
You can calculate them naman paunti-unti.
Opo.
Right? And it starts with, for example, how would I feed my children? Nakapamper sila. Yung sa high table, nilalagay ko lang all the food there. Ganon sila magkumain.
Choices.
Yung choices na nila, what they want.
Yeah.
And then, ang ginagawa ko sa kanila, after they eat, tanggal ko yung pampers, lagay ko sa kitchen sink, hino-hose down ko sila, down sila mag-ano, and then, out again, right? So, it's so that they don't get frightened.
Yeah.
They
Pag
don't,
sobra mo rin kasing
kinupkop
sheltered.
ko.
Opo,
hindi,
tama naman.
diba?
Yeah.
So ganon yung, kaya medyo may pagka sila na, whatever they face,
Go sila. Go lang.
go or kaya nila.
Yeah.
Kasi you never know when you make the decision if it's the right one or wrong one.
Yeah.
Kasi
And
it's not totally up to you. It's up to God also na,
Yes.
ito yung nangyari. Ito yung plano mo. Ito yung nangyari. Diba? Ito, anong gagawin mo? Kaya mo.
Kasi hindi naman din ibibigay sa kanila yung choice na yun if
Yes.
hindi sila guided.
Yes.
And I believe also, malaking bagay po yung nakakapagbigay ng trust yung parents sa kids. Kasi diba, ikaw, sabi mo, umiyak ka. It's
Umiyak
hard
ka.
for you to see it at alam mo yung mga pwedeng mangyari.
12
Pero
years old.
binigay mo yung
Oo.
full trust mo.
Oo.
For a 12-year-old, grade
di-
6, parang nagcha-Chinese garter lang ako.
Talaga,
Ayun.
diba? But it's because it's how I was raised also,
tapos
diba?
pupunta ako sa kabundukan.
Yeah. You know, in our farm kasi, we had this old Willys truck. It's an old truck. World War II road. Na wala siyang windows. Inayos-ayos namin ng dad ko, right? At 12, 13, dinadrive ko na yan within the farm.
Oo.
Sobrang yung may tatlong pag ganyan.
Oo.
Talagang happy ako. That's talagang super, I love cars. I mean, those rough cars talaga.
Yeah.
So talagang, yun.
Namulat kayo as early as that, Miss Rina,
Yes, oo.
to do those things na akala mo hindi pwede sa bata or hindi pwede sa babae.
Oo,
Ganon.
kasi sometimes in the farm, di ba, what happened, my parents would leave us. So pumunta ako it's near the sea Pumunta kami ng dagat, low tide, and then, kumukuha kami ng clams and
Apo.
stuff, right? Then, hindi ko nakita, sumuot yung leg ko sa loob ng reef. So, lahat to. All, So, ako, I don't wanna tell my parents kasi my mom is, very high strung. My dad is very high. I don't wanna tell my
Sino po
parents.
kasama nyo nung nandun
Yung
kayo?
bantay.
Okay.
Yung bantay namin. Naninigarilyo si bantay.
Oo.
Sabi niya, no, ma'am. Rina, halika. Not ma'am. Rina, halika. So, bumili kami ng sigarilyo. Okay? Tinanggal natin yung tabako. Naglagay kami ng tabako.
Para?
For the wounds. Tapos binalot nila with oil. As in, ganon yung weird.
Totoo?
Yes.
Na hindi to nalaman ni mama mo during that.
Wala siya doon, right?
Okay.
Pero the nicotine, I don't know, it really dried up
Totoo, may basis po talaga yung, yung
oo,
way nila.
Oo, ganun talaga.
Okay.
And my grandmother kasi is like that. My grandmother from Pampanga.
Apo.
Matigas din yung ulo. Right? So, nahulog din siya.
Oo.
Bali to bali. As in bali, ayaw niyang ipagamot. So, we would buy the tobacco leaves. Linalagay
Itatapal
niya
din. Oo.
with hot oil. Tapos, ibabalot niya. So, after 1 year, sumasakit talaga pa rin. Sabi ko, Lola, I
Baka
said,
may
let's
internal, oo.
Sabi ko, Lola, 80 plus siya noon. Sabi ko, Lola, please, let's go na. Tikas talaga naman, Kapampangan eh. Talagang no, sabi ko, let's go na. So we went. We had to re-break the bone and cast it over again. Ganon. And she's the type yung ganun siya the fire inside. Yeah. Yes, ganun siya. Rosita, her name is Rosita.
Si Miss
Rosa.
Rosita, okay.
So that's how we grew
That's
up.
how your childhood is. Yes. At ng mga
Ang haba
kids
ng
nyo.
story.
No, okay lang. Kasi at least ngayon may background na kami kung paano kayo lumaki, ano yung environment na meron kayo, and ano yung mga na-impart niya rin right now. With
Kasi
your
only
kids.
girl ako with 3 brothers. So
okay.
talagang a bit.
Buti nga that way around. Kasi paano kung the other way around na sobra naman nilang protective with you? Usually ganun, di ba? Parang pag only girl sa family. Parang
Sometimes I think that's possible.
di ba? Oo, kayo naman, the other way around po yung nangyari.
Yung sabi nga ng dad ko ikaw dapat yung lalaki yata.
Bakit ano ba mga ginagawa kayo ng brothers mo? Well, anyway, okay, sige. Another story yan. Mag-move on tayo sa
sige.
naman, Miss Rina, sa school days ninyo, nung nag-aaral na po kayo.
Opo.
So, can you tell us about your school days during your college?
College,
Opo.
okay.
Ano
So
po
we
bang-
went muna.
yeah.
So, nag-Ateneo din po ako.
Okay.
Okay. And then, after that, pumunta din ako ng
Anong course nyo po?
literature.
When you started?
Literature.
Okay.
And Ateneo, that was the time of kasi, di ba, after na the revolution.
Okay.
After na the revolution. But before that, in high school, kasi ako, officer in ROTC. Provost Marshal ako.
Mhm.
Right? And originally, nag-Provost Marshal ako kasi there was some bullying going on. Kasi mistisa nga ako.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
So,
po.
at that time, yun. A little bit, not so much. So, in a way to protect myself, Provost,
ROTC ka.
officer, and
Yeah.
then Provost Marshal. And then,
Inispada mo sila, Miss
no,
Rina.
hindi.
Okay.
But meron akong
Tiniklear ko
espada.
lang. Baka kasi inispada mo yung mga nabubuli.
No.
Kayo ha.
Oo. But those were the times kasi of the revolution.
Opo.
So, may may pagka-aktivista ako ng
Mhm.
konti. Not so much, but meron.
Mm.
So, moving on to college, Assumption kasi had this immersion program. So you live in a community, in a community that's not so well off. So I went to live in UP Balara for
Okay,
2 months. Doon ko talaga nakita yung
That's part of the ROTC?
No, that's part of the program of
okay,
Assumption
school.
talaga.
Opo.
So you can go to Iloilo, you can go to different places. But I'm referencing the situation with February of 1986.
Okay.
And because of the situation, hindi masyado kaming malayong pumunta. So malapit lang.
Doon lang sa
So
area.
I went to UP Balara. Lived there for 2 months, I think. And so nag-shape ako. I'm very interested in people. So na-shape yung isip ko, yung parang I saw reality living in in difficult
Opo.
circumstances. Tapos I'm referencing that because so we went to ROTC. The same thing naman sa Ateneo, man for others, 'di ba? Ang team nila, man for others, for the greater glory of God, difficult circumstances, Saint Ignatius of Loyola.
Yeah.
Lahat yan, no? That's all references. Also references to Mother Maria Eugenie of Assumption. It's service. It's always service. And I wanted to be a nun, believe it or not. But I got scared.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got scared. I really
Kailan niyo po na-realize na?
3rd or 4th year high school.
Oh.
Pero natakot ako because I saw how you're not free.
Yeah.
Asan na?
Opo.
Diba? So,
Yeah.
ayoko.
Mm-mm.
So, yeah, that's... So, on to Ateneo, And then after Ateneo, met many people there.
Mhm.
Where are you from?
I'm from FEU Manila po.
FEU.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know a famous basketball player then, Olsen Rosella. And then there's
Apo.
PUP. What you call that? What you call those basketball games na it's famous? Ang tawag doon? Ha? Yun.
UANP na rin.
Oo. No, but before it was another name. Then, I don't remember. Basta si Olsen Rosella.
Okay, Rosella.
Okay.
Alright.
And his name is Olsen because he was born on, nickname is Olsen's Day.
Totoo!
Yeah.
Para napagtripan ng mga
No,
magulang.
And I don't know what the name of the brothers
Olsen.
basketball. And then there's a famous guy called Mel Garrido. Who was also a super funny guy. Dark. He's really dark and I'm
Okay.
white. And we were
Oo.
magkatabi.
Oh.
And Sir Briones was in our class and I'm not good in Tagalog. So talagang they're always teaching me and they would call us kapet gatas.
Oo.
Right? But anyway, because Mel Garrido was in Dulaan Sibol.
Yeah, apo.
And I love
The
Dulaan
theater,
Sibol.
apa.
Sobra. And so we were good friends. And because of that relationship, parang madami akong na-realize na even at that level, Pilipino ako, pero so in one little world lang eh.
Mm.
So I got to see another side of
Yes.
society
Opo.
through the friends I met in mostly in Ateneo.
Opo.
Mostly in Ateneo. And then also the spiritual path,
Yeah, opo.
Ateneo. So we did that. And then I went to Switzerland.
After college na po
Oo,
ito.
and then Switzerland, and I did a course also there.
What course po did you?
I did hotel and restaurant management, and I
okay.
learned how to cook. I learned how to, etc.
Ang dami niyong ginagawa, Miss Lee.
Dami!
Ngayon ko nalaman na yan
Oo.
pala, yan ang mga, di ba?
Oo, waiting on tables
Yeah.
for extra money.
Yeah.
Ganon, ha? Talagang, ang dami. And then, ano pa ba?
So after your hotel and restaurant,
I came back home. Re-entry
Okay.
shock.
Okay.
Diba? Re-entry shock kasi parang the Kuwaiti War broke out and my permit expired. My work permit expired. So I came home, no choice. And it was came home and tried to find my way. Then eventually got married, had my children. Yun.
Okay, doon na po nangyari ang
Opo.
ang inyong
Yeah.
pagpa-family when
Oo,
you
came
went
home.
back. Opo.
Oo.
Okay. Nung college kayo, Miss Rina, may mga organizations din kayo, mga sinasalihan.
No, just the football.
Really?
Yeah, varsity football.
Tingnan mo, naglalaro din pala si Miss Rina. Baka masipa niyo ako, Miss Rina, dito.
Varsity football.
Okay, sige po. Regarding your school days, Miss Rina, ano po yung mga things that you wish those schools or Ateneo or Assumption or the schools in Switzerland that you thought na ito yung makaka-help pala sa inyo na mag-navigate in life, na sana naituro ng school, na hindi naman naituro talaga way back?
I don't know. Parang wala akong maisip because Assumption gave me that, I had a hard time kasi yung grade school ko is, Poveda, Instituto de Teresiana.
Okay.
So I had a very hard time entering high school because may cliques na sila eh.
Kumbaga, lumipat ka lang.
Yeah, may
okay.
grupo. But may mga mababait din
Yeah.
na nagiging friend ko. Up to now, friend ko. Si Bunny, si Madge, si Petit Blanco. Madami akong friends there, si Jojo Versosa, which were friends pa rin up to now.
Yeah.
And that was the pinaka-lowest na you're the outsider coming in.
Yeah.
Ang hirap nun.
Opo.
Ang hirap nun.
Yeah.
So, parents, please,
Yeah, I know how it feels, Miss Rina. Kasi ako, NPA, if you know the NPA term, no permanent address. Oo, parang gano'n.
Akala ko
Kasi-
NPL.
Miss Rina, actually, may baril ako dito. Hindi, joke lang. Ano siya, parang growing up, sa iba't ibang schools din ako tinatransfer. Kasi wala kaming permanent na address.
So you understand?
Oo, yung
Ang hirap.
feeling na parang papasok ako tapos ikaw ma-out of place ka for the first few years kasi syempre may barkada na sila. Tapos ikaw galing kang Manila, tapos ikaw yung ibubully nila or parang
Yes.
out of place ka nila.
Oo,
Ganon.
oo.
So mga naka-4 or 5 transfer ako ng schools.
Yun yung for example, to be invited to eat with them, big deal yun, ah.
Oo naman.
Oh, di ba?
Oo.
So, normally, kakain ka
Trip
lang
ka
mag-isa.
nila.
Oo,
Oo, gusto
mag-isa
ka
ka
nila.
lang.
Yeah.
Grabe. And then, hilaw ang tawag or gano'n.
Yeah.
It's very painful.
Yeah.
Right? But then, there were some good people. So, and one of my teachers, Miss Reambilio,
Mhm.
I remember, after 3 months, she called me. And she said, "Are you okay, Rina?" Kasi nakita niya, napansin niya.
Mhm.
So, teachers, that's why for me, teachers are so important. You have to really be observant to know all the students and
yes.
see how they're doing
Opo.
and how they're, so
Coping.
talagang coping.
Yeah.
Yung history teacher ko, nakalimutan ko sino yan eh. What I remember, dead nails, yung ano niya. Pero,
Yung kuko ni ma'am.
yeah, oo. And ano kasi, I forget her name. But I don't know why. My mom never went to PTA meetings, right? But I don't know anong kinain niya. One day she went to a PTA meeting and then she came home and she said, the history teacher who I'll try to remember the name. She said, she said something about you that surprised me. I said, "What, ma'am?" And sabi niya, she says, "You're the only student na pwede niyang pagsabihan na parang the next day nakalimutan ko daw na pinagsabihan daw ako at hindi daw ako nagtatanim ng galit."
Oh, okay.
Sabi ko, well, ma'am, maybe I just have a bad memory.
Nakakalimutan lang pala. Pasok dito, labas lang pala.
Kasi
doon. Oo.
walang pake. But I have that tendency to forget talaga.
Pero totoo nga, nakakalimutan mo lang, Miss Rina. Baka
No,
naman.
no,
But
hindi.
maybe you're just objective. Pag
Objective na parang
pinapagalitan
"Uy,
ka
sorry. Or parang baka I really have a fault. Di ba? Yung
Gets.
ganon. So, teachers, students, they formed me. And then, pagkukulang, from my growing up, parang wala. I mean, maybe more experiential learning.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Totoo naman po. yan.
Kasi madaming hindi nasasakop ng libro.
School also. Opo.
'Di ba? So more of that, more on the job or experiential work.
Relationship.
Yes.
Yeah, po.
Opo, ganon.
Yeah. So gets nyo na, hindi lahat by the book.
No, hindi
Yeah.
pwede eh.
Yeah. It's really kung paano ka at that moment, kung
Yeah.
sino yung mga taong magsusupport sa'yo,
Oo.
bubuli sa'yo, and yung drive mo to push through
Yung drive.
para tapusin mo, diba?
Oo.
Yeah,
Or also what happens is, I don't know if this happens to you, no? Parang after a certain time, you're like, bahala na kayo.
Wala na lang.
Yeah, wala
Yeah,
na lang.
yeah,
Hindi,
yeah,
parang, alright, cool. We're cool. And
Sanay na ako. Oo, yeah.
Ganon nangyari.
Yeah.
Oo.
Hindi nyo kami matitibag.
No,
Ganon.
hindi nga. Oo, parang,
Ganon.
oo.
Yeah.
But it
Feeling
also
ko yun yung nagpaano rin sa'yo, Miss Rina. Makes you even more powerful in your own way. Kasi parang, I believe na may mga things na pag sobrang sheltered yung isang tao or masyadong walang maling nangyayari sa buhay niya, you tend to, pag may mga problemang dumarating, mabilis siyang nafe-feel bad, mabilis siyang kumakalas dun sa goal niya. So I feel like the more na mas maraming taong nagtatry to get you down or the more that you feel like, kaya ko pa ba to? Mas lalo kang tumitibay.
Yeah.
So,
Well, this is what I'm seeing, and I find this lacking in our society
Yeah.
now. Just look at yung mga lost dog, itong mga pages na naghihingi ng tulong for the strays, right?
mhm.
Yung feeling nila is parati silang naghihingi ng tulong. Kayo po, hindi ba meron ba kayong pwedeng gawin at that moment?
Na
I-contain
paraan,
or
yeah.
something, and it's always nadaan ko lang, nakita ko lang, ba. And I really feel it's part of this ayuda system. I am not against ayuda system because it is temporary relief.
Opo.
Pero yung nangyayari ngayon, yung feeling ko is, parati na lang, nagtitiwala or depending on the government.
Kung sino tutulong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kayo, wala ba kayong sariling
Initiative.
initiative?
Gets. Opo.
'Di ba? Or mag-find kayo ng way. Why are you always... And my feeling is, and when you do something and you overcome,
Mhm.
iba yung
That's
sense
fulfilling.
of... Oo,
Opo.
di ba? And
At
you
saka
become
doon mo
strong.
malalaman na,
Yeah.
kaya ko pala to. Hindi ko
Oo.
naman pala kailangan. Well, there's nothing wrong with asking for help.
No, there's nothing
Diba?
wrong.
Opo.
Mm-mm.
Pero, sometimes we have to try in our own little way. Kasi baka kaya pala natin.
Yeah,
Instead, sayang yung mga minuto na nasasayang na natutulungan mo
Or
na sana.
also be part of the community.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
And then, parang nagiging kang example
Yes.
para sa iba. Di ba? Yun. Mm-mm.
Okay. Knowing right now, Miss Rina, na since bata pa po pala kayo, dito na kayo sa Philippines lumaki. So,
I was born in Makati.
dito ka rin pala pinanganak. Okay.
One of the yung in my birth certificate Makati nakalagay pa diyan Rizal, hindi pa Metro Manila. Because Makati was part of Rizal.
Totoo?
Yes.
Oh gosh,
That was the
geography.
province.
That was
That's how old. That's
geography.
kopong. Oh, di ba?
That's geography for us, guys. Okay. So, Rizal pala part ng Makati before.
Yes.
Okay. So, dahil nga po dito na kayo lumaki sa Philippines, how do you describe Filipinos in general? Ano po yung mga traditions that you admire most, and yung mga traditions that you feel weird and uneasy?
Okay. Regional kasi. Tribal.
Iba-iba.
Iba-iba. Yung Bisaya,
Apo.
yung taga Bacolod, yung taga Norte.
Kayo kasi punta na kayo from different places.
Yung lola ko
Give
is
it. Okay.
Ilongga. From Iloilo.
Okay po.
So nagagalit na yan, hindi mo alam, galit na pala.
Ganun na yung intonation kasi nila.
Yeah, di ba?
Oo.
Nagagalit na pala. And then my husband is from Cebu, di ba? So
Oo.
the way lintik.
Matitigas.
Matitigas, di ba? Akala mo galit pero hindi naman. Yung taga Norte naman is also the same. They don't ask you kamusta ka na.
Mhm.
What they ask you is where are you going?
Oh.
Where are you going? Taga Norte, where are you going? You wanna eat? Ganun yung iba nila, very resilient.
Okay.
Yan, they don't like asking for help normally.
Opo.
They don't like outsiders. Yung iba is very welcoming.
Yeah.
No, yung taga Batangas very
South
rin,
yan. Yeah.
very matigas din mga rebels, no. Yung south of Luzon. Then I have a lot of Muslim friends din. Iba din.
Opo.
Iba din yung nila. What are the things that I like? They will always try to feed you even if they don't have
Yeah.
food. Kumain na po
Isa
kayo.
po yun.
That's another way of introduction.
Opo.
Kumain na po kayo. Kain na po, 'di ba? Yung mahiyain, that can be a good or not good trait because you never know ano ba talaga, where do I stand?
Kasi
Right?
hindi niya ma-express.
Hindi niya ma-express or nahihiya lang
Yeah,
talaga.
opo.
Nahihiya lang talaga. What I notice, I work a lot with the military. There are certain yung mga taray, yung mga taga-norte talagang, ano sila?
Sila talaga yung mga strong.
What do you call it? Mga taong, kagitingan. They're really brave.
Yeah.
Sobrang brave. And I think it's in their DNA. They're warriors.
Yeah, probably po. Usually naman sa kulturang kinalakihan po, di ba? Nakuha sa mga lolo, lola, sa
Yun.
parents.
Oo. Yung pagpapasensya,
Pagpapasensya, yeah. Mahabang pasensya.
sometimes too long.
Nasusobrahan.
Yeah, because parang our country doesn't seem to move because of that eh.
Kasi lagi na lang pagpasensyahan mo na. Yeah.
You get it? It's like, I learned patience from this, what I do. Kasi ako, done yesterday yan eh. You get it? Like, just wait in, parang, you wait in the bus station, may bus ba o hindi. Before, no, even the MRT is not working.
Yeah.
Everything is, pasensya na lang, na lang. Parang,
Nasaan ba yung rules?
Or fight for your rights in a different way, di ba? Which is why I think we had a bloodless revolution, for example. Kasi we're not mean.
Yeah. Innate.
We're not cruel. Magalang or mapasensyoso or although now there's less and less respect for life, but there's still life is still held important, no? Yung ayaw ko lang is when it comes to companion animal, yung aso and yung pusa na sinasaktan or tinatapon ng hot water or stuff like that. But at the other end, there are also feeders.
Opo.
So parang nakabalanse sila, and I think nakasalalay sa economic status
ng country natin.
Yeah, meaning if we were better economically, I think they would treat the animals better.
Opo. I feel like of course, number one, hindi tama yung ginagawa nilang ganun sa
hindi
sa
talaga
animals.
tama. Oo.
But kulang talaga din sila sa knowledge about it.
Yeah, and that's why yung sinasabi ko, which every time I say now it's getting stronger as time goes by, as yung experiences with government, with LGUs, with people, parang nabubuo yung kaisipan ko, yung puso ko. We cannot euthanize our way out of this problem. That's with regards to the pounds. We cannot adopt our way out of this problem. We cannot rescue our way out of this problem. We cannot shelter or put the animals in sanctuaries out of this problem. We need to educate.
Yeah.
And we need to have a comprehensive kapon program.
Yes.
Iseryoso namin yung anti-rabies and yung kapon and yung education. Okay? For example, ngayon, may African swine flu at the moment, right?
Meron po. Opo.
Oo. Bakit? Many reasons. Hindi ako mag-ano kung bakit. Pero kung may comprehensive animal welfare, animal welfare and animal health, isa lang.
Yeah.
Isa lang yun.
Opo.
So whether aso, pusa, or livestock,
Yes,
that's one,
isa.
right?
Yeah, opo.
So if you gave importance to animal welfare, hindi to mangyayari.
Yeah.
Hindi ba?
Definitely. Opo.
So animal welfare is in fact human welfare and human health. So, nandyan din si rabies.
Yes.
So if you gave importance to animal welfare and priority to that, I know madaming ibang mga priority. Alam ko po yun.
Opo.
Pero isang maliit na bagay lang po to.
Nagsasanga-sanga kasi siya.
Yes.
Kumbaga, ito yung root.
Yes.
Yeah.
And ito ay hindi naman mataas na prutas na kailangan mong
Na-
umakyat
yeah.
ng puno. Low-lying fruit no na pwedeng ipitas.
Yes.
Hindi ba? maliliit na bagay, iprograma na lang.
Yes.
Right? So this is what I'm trying to understand. Bakit hindi nakikinig? And that is another Filipino trait. Going back to what you're saying. Often, hindi nag-innovate. Kasi ito yung ginagawa namin eh.
Nakasanayan.
Yes, right? It's too difficult to sometimes, try something new. Innovate.
Yeah, for a change.
For a change. Hindi to gumagana.
Opo.
Look at it, be honest, and say, these are the possible solutions.
Yeah.
Anong pwede anong kaya ng budget, anong kaya ng tauhan, anong kaya ng resources. Ito, pinaka-basic. I-antirabis natin, i-ganito natin, yun, sige, gawin na natin.
Yeah.
Simulan, at least simulan. You don't have to have a very big, you have 1-year plan, 3-year plan, 5-year plan. Sobrang simple lang naman. It sounds simple and I know it's not so simple, pero kung may
When you
will.
start small, yeah.
Yeah, di ba? But the first thing is to recognize the problem.
Yes.
Have the courage. And that goes again to the mga children.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba?
Yes.
Teach them
Sa
how to
kanila kasi
think.
talaga magsisimula.
Oo, yun.
Kasi yung mga, I feel like the ones na nananakit din ng animals, growing up, probably ganun din yung nakikita nila
Yes.
sa area nila na
Yes.
ginagawa. So, kung yung mga new generation would be educated well about it, paano i-handle yung mga gantong
Yun.
bagay, masisimulan nila.
No, you can't imagine how yung pinupuntahan namin,
Opo.
and then the kids will say, kasi sabi ni nanay, ililigaw na lang, di
diba?
ba?
Yeah.
It starts with that.
Opo.
Di ba? Yun.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's little things.
Ay, okay.
Sorry ha.
Yeah,
I'm intense.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Lisa, your coffee
Because,
is making
you know what,
me
I love
intense.
being a Filipino because syempre dito ako nagsimula,
Yes.
dito ako nag-grow. Pero I really see a lot of things na pwedeng i-improve ng isang pagiging Pilipino.
naman.
Yeah, and that's one of it.
Yeah, and that's the thing because science is evolving.
Opo.
Life evolves. So you also as a person should take that into consideration and evolve.
Opo.
Right?
Mm-mm.
Our country is hard to love.
Yun na nga. Oo.
It's hard to love.
Yeah.
Pero I'm one of those na challenge ako eh. When I have a difficult friend or a difficult relationship, nag-e-effort ako to
Sa side mo.
understand.
Yeah.
To understand. To see. Kasi nagmamahal na ako sa iyo eh.
Yes.
Right? So it starts with that. And then, sometimes you have to pause. Kasi gusto mo ng,
It's tiring.
it's tiring, pagod ka na, gusto mo nang isuntok yung tao, or whatever, iuntog yung ulo, so pause muna. And then, okay, back to life na naman. Sige, hanap na naman. And it's such a high for me to continuously find a way through.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If I can't go through the door, I'll climb the wall.
Yeah.
Which is a rescue thing.
Yun na yun, literal.
Literal,
Oo,
climb a wall.
mangangakyat ka
Or
talaga.
you call the fire department because the kuting is inside the drainage. Or you get it?
Yes, opo.
Yon.
Kumbaga, if you have the bigger understanding of what's happening, sino pa bang ibang...
Oo, and know who to call.
Yeah.
Or put them to task. Tawag ka sa barangay.
Opo.
Tulungan nyo po ako. Sinong pwedeng tawagin? Itanggal yung drainage, yung drain cover. Kasi nandyan si Kuting umiiyak since yesterday.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganon.
Yeah. With regards dun sa nyo po, Miss Rina, pag-rescue,
Opo.
I have known from your team na simula 5 years old po kayo pala.
Yes.
Nag-rescue na kayo.
Oo.
Paano po nagsimula yun? Can you tell
Oo,
us?
yung lolo ko kasi, mahilig siya sa aso.
Mm.
And there was a dog na may parang scabies.
Opo.
We called him Pulot. So we rescued him together.
Sa Batangas to, Miss
No.
Rina?
Oh, this was in Alabang Hills.
Okay.
Long ago, right? And but in Batangas we also did,
Mhm.
right? That time walang Bravecto, walang mga spot on. So, my lolo kasi is an engineer and physicist, a chemist, and physicist, chemist, and mechanical engineer.
Opo.
That time, meron siyang ginawa parang tar. It's a tar. So, we would make make
Parang
pahid.
DIY siya.
Yeah,
na for
parang
the-
oo, because at those times, wala talaga.
Mm-mm.
And pulot survived. Now, that's unacceptable. But then, pulot survived. This is early 70s.
Opo.
1974.
Mhm.
So, that's how we learn. Kasi yung lolo ko din, second generation Kastila siya.
Opo.
So, napanganak dito na rin. Pero he had red hair.
Oh, red
Ranger.
Yeah.
He's a redhead. Redhead na kulot.
Opo.
His name is Antonio, like my son.
Mhm.
And during that time in Batangas, ham operator. He built a radio, and informant siya during the guerrilla movement of the war.
Oh.
And nakatago yung yung
Radyo
radio
niya.
in the forest, no? And then may nag-inform sa Japanese. Nakulong yan 3-4 days.
Opo.
And the only reason why na-save siya is my dad, favorite ng Japanese commander sa
Opo.
Nasugbu.
Oh.
Kasi parang he was missing his son sa Japan.
Mhm.
And because of that, yung commander vouched for my lolo.
Dahil sa dad mo.
Yes. So, I'm giving this history kasi even my lolo, makulit yon. Like me, in
Oo.
terms of, that kind of bravery,
Apo.
that kind of, And he found waves. Imagine he built his own ham radio
Yeah.
para magpadala ng message.
Message.
Yeah, oo. So, actually,
So, malaking inspiration po.
malaking
Si-
inspiration. And my lolo was an atheist.
Really?
Yeah, super atheist.
Really?
Super. Man of science. Super atheist. Didn't believe in God at all. He believed in science.
Yeah.
So, may influence din ako ng ganon.
Opo.
Na there's a scientific side. I'm just not intelligent enough for all
Para
this.
ipaniwanag. Oo.
And then I
Yes,
never
yeah.
got into science kasi
Yeah.
parang
the
mahina yung
series
utak ko.
of Dr. House.
Parang ganon,
siya.
ganon,
Oo,
ganon.
Lahat may explanation why
Oo,
it's happening.
oo,
Gets.
Oo.
Okay. Okay, I wanna know more personal stories about you, Miss
Oo.
Rina. Sa love life mo naman tayo.
Hala! Nako, I cannot!
Okay, what about si Sir Tito Ortiz naman? Can you tell us about it or paano kayo nagkakilala?
Nagkakilala kami with a friend.
Okay.
Through a friend,
Apo.
Sandy Poblador, who's no longer around.
Opo.
Yun. And yun, we...
Paano kayo nag-meet up? Ganun. O syempre,
She
pinakilala kayo
introduced
ni
us.
Miss.
Yeah,
Oo.
she introduced us and then we went out.
Oh,
We went out for
okay.
dinner and then the rest is history.
Oh, tingnan mo, tinipid tayo ni Miss Rina.
No, wala. He's very private.
Okay,
Oo,
okay.
oo.
We understand. Alright, sige. So, through a friend kayo na...
Oo,
ni
Sandy
Sir-
Poblador.
Apo.
Oo. Sandy, wherever you are,
Yes.
I'm praying for you.
Can you describe or tell us po kung para sa inyo, ano po yung definition ng word na love?
Oh my God, love.
Parang ano lang to, no?
love.
Autobiography. Isang book.
Love. Love is complicated and simple at the same time. Love. Love, you have to experience love. Madaming klaseng love yan. Love of friendship, love of children, love of a partner, love of... Pero love is talaga yung sinasabi sa Bible, patient.
Love is patient. Love is kind.
Yes. Yun. And it can teach you a lot. But love can only happen when you have a relationship. It can't happen on your own.
Yeah.
You get to know yourself from the love you give or the love you accept.
Yeah.
Receive or accept kasi some people are not good at receiving love.
Oh, gets.
You get it?
Yeah.
Oo. So when you love a dog, you love a person, you love a relationship, you're challenged. Kasi there's things that you like and you don't like.
Yeah.
And your reaction to that teaches you so much about yourself. So in the end, the relation teaches you how to love yourself. So for example, when people, very strange example, but when you harm a dog or a cat, you actually start hating yourself without you knowing. Just the same way when you betray a friend or betray a trust for whatever gain or for whatever loss or for hatred or for whatever, you end up hating yourself without knowing. Sometimes without knowing, and then you become dark.
Yeah, nasisira
Ka. And
pakonti.
ikaw mismo ang nagsisira ng sarili mo. Right? But if you're courageous enough to ask the question, why did you do that? Never mind, nagawa mo na.
Yeah.
Why did you do that? Why do you feel bad? Why do you have these habitual patterns of destruction, whether with yourself or with others? You can grow
From knowing.
and then and just it starts with awareness. And then it builds that awareness with anong pwede natin magawa.
Yeah.
So even when you're helping others, you're actually helping yourself. So anything about love, I feel, comes from a relationship. And then you build your own relationship. And then you build, like with me, the rescuing. Okay? Many times na-rescue na namin, mamamatay lang naman pala. Right? So my spiritual, if you wanna call it that, relationship was built. Kasi in the first time is parang nagagalit ako. Parang why? And then sabi ko, okay, now tapos you resign. Ay, hindi, you can't control everything. The only thing you can control is your sarili mo.
How you react.
How you react. So feeling ko is, Lord, sige, ito kasi siguro yung plano ninyo. So, thy will be done or it's up to you na. Ganun na lang. I mean, I don't go to mass, by the way. My prayer is the rescuing, the taking care. That is my constant prayer. Or, for example, meron akong hinahanap na aso or pusa somewhere. Pumupunta ako, hindi ko mahanap. Pero along the way, meron akong na-rescue. Or on the way back, iba naman ang na-rescue.
Okay.
So, yung iniisip ko, baka ito yung plano ni Lord, ni God. No? And it helps me because, especially working with LGUs and with the government, because we're trying to create change, ang daming beses yung sinasabi ko, I'm hitting a brick wall at 1,000 kilometers an hour. Akala ko nakuha ko na, hindi. So you can get discouraged. And then sinasabi ko, okay, wait, maybe God doesn't want it this way. Let's wait na lang and see what
Kung
happens.
anong ibibigay,
And sometimes it comes and then sometimes hindi. Tapos iniisip ko na lang, baka hindi pa kaya or hindi pa panahon.
Yeah.
So faith with an I and faith with an E. You learn those I don't know if they're virtues, but you learn them.
Yeah.
And then you learn about yourself. And you learn to forgive your shortcomings. Kasi I'm hardest on myself. If I'm hard on people, the person I'm hardest with is myself. As in, I beat myself up sometimes. So I've learned not to do that because of these things. This, I could have done better, I could have this. Parang that's always in my mind. I could have handled this better, I didn't. Oh my God, what did you do? Parang ganon.
Yeah.
Ganon yung,
So sobrang analytical mo mag-isip.
Oo, and the dialogue sa loob.
Yeah.
Yun.
So if you feel like na part of loving is also surrendering.
Part of loving is surrendering. Kasi hindi mo kayang
Hindi
control
lahat makokontrol.
Maski sarili mo, hindi mo nakokontrol. Ibang tao pa or hayop pa.
Around you.
Di ba? So, what you can try to control is the path you decide to take.
Opo.
O, ito hindi pwede. Okay, itong solusyon na inisip mo solusyon, hindi pwede. O, ito na lang gagawin ko. Or ganito, or ganyan. And you just keep on trying.
Yeah.
You just keep on trying. Makulit lang. That's what I call myself. Na makulit lang ako. Yun.
That's beautiful, Miss Rina. Totoo.
No, sometimes Go ahead.
Yeah, ano po parang it's, lahat tayo abot sa point na with loving, mapapagod ka talaga. Kasi, di ba? Sobra. Totoong hindi lang siya para sa tao.
No.
Pwede rin sa mga bagay, sa mga hayop. So, I feel like if you learn how to, yung paulit-ulit, to give a chance. That's also a definition of love for me.
Oo.
Diba? Kasi parang, baka kaya hindi siya nag-work this time, it might work for the next
time. Or hindi pa ready yung tao.
Yes.
Or yung situation. So, pause ka muna. And minsan, binabato ng Lord ng solution. Like, for example, we have a case at the moment. Something that happened 2 years ago. Meron akong hinahanap na sworn affidavit. Hindi ko mahanap. Talagang, oh my God. Then, hindi ko mahanap. So I said, okay, well, too late. Too bad. Okay. So, 2 nights ago, meron akong gustong itrap na pusa at night. So, I had the trap. Okay. Naghahanap ako ng papel para ilagay yung pagkain sa dulo ng trap. So I was looking in my car. My car is like a black hole. Sabi ko, ay, envelope. Tore out the envelope. Okay. Nahuli ko yung car. Yung cat. Then the contents of the envelope, I got it from the side of the car.
Okay.
Ito yung manibela dito sa side ng
yung nasisigitan na nahulog.
So nakuha ko dan. And then,
yun yung affidavit. Oh my God.
Yes!
Yun yung affidavit.
Yes!
Diba?
Oh, diba?
Yeah.
So sabi ko, holy come on.
In a mysterious way.
In a mystery, and it's always like that.
Opo.
So sabi ko,
Believer ako nung ganyan, Miss Rina.
Yeah.
Yung parang last minute, yung di ko na alam, bahala na, nasa na ba? Paano na ba?
Yun.
Pero biglang, dumarating
Can you
siya.
imagine?
Yeah.
Almost 2 years after. So binigay ko kaagad. And buti pa, okay pa. Itanggap kasi the statue. Yan. So sabi ko, what? You're playing with me? Ano ba? Can you stop? Pero time out muna. Yun.
Yun ang totoong mga evidence.
Na
ganun talaga.
And why? Because I wanted to catch a cat.
Yeah.
Oh, how are you not gonna believe? Everything has its time. It's not up to you.
Opo.
Diba? So sabi ko, I have to be more organized. Kasi my so sabi ko, what else? I have to clean my car. It looks like a mess.
Picturean natin yung sasakyan ni Miss Rina. Insert natin dito sa podcast.
Nandiyan
para
pa
may
yung,
reference.
nandiyan pa yung rubber boots ko from the in Marikina. Oh
nakakalat pa rin doon.
Yeah,
okay
I have to have it cleaned.
Okay, so ayan, binababa ako ni Lord. Sabi ni Lord, kakababa ka, anak. Bumababa mo po ako. Okay, ayan. Okay, moving forward po, no. I have also known na before nyo po ginawa ito full-time, yoga instructor ka pa na, Miss Rina.
Wow!
Another life.
Can you tell us more about this past career?
Hello mga kabiyaya! We are here to discuss anything under veterinary services, rescues, adoptions, TNVR, animal welfare, responsible pet ownerships. Anything and everything as well in between. Kung nais po ninyong magiging isang biyaya sa aming mga alagang aso't pusa, please comment below or message our Facebook page. We'd love to hear from you. Maraming salamat.